So, not only is the wheel about to fall off, I also blew a boot. So, everything's falling apart. Probably not gonna get home. They're probably thinking, oh, Gabe, your wheel's not about to fall off. You're exaggerating. And let me tell you, it sounds worse than that. 1,400 foot-pounds of nut-busting power. Have you ever... Dude, somebody just crashed.
Should we go check that out?
Well, I just took my wheel off.
Gabe?
Yeah.
What's going on?
What time is it?
Like 1?
Well, I was working on the hubs. I couldn't get it out. I broke 2 sets of pliers, and I can't get the stupid ring out.
Have you been here all night?
Yeah, all night.
Oh my goodness.
And then I got so frustrated with this that I decided to, you know, work on Kaylee's truck. I took out the drive shaft because I only replaced one U-joint, so I had to replace the other U-joint. I think I'm just gonna give up, sell them all.
Yeah, good idea. Maybe
buy a Prius, something reliable, because apparently Ford trucks are not the way to go. So the truck has been sitting here like this for 2 days now, and I've been waiting for this set of pliers that I had to order from Germany, and I one day overnight shipped them for $70, but got the ring out, so now I can put it all back together and then figure out what the heck is wrong with this darn turbo. We do. All right, so we got the hub replaced. Took 1,700 hours. Nice and slow, so we don't have to replace another one. Rip that jack out of the way. And now it's time for a test drive to see if the wheel falls off. Now, because the turbo is blown, or I blew a boot, or something of that nature, I'm not going to drive hard. Wait. I'm not going to drive aggressively. I'm going to keep it nice and tamed so that I don't make whatever problem worse. I call that a successful install. The wheel did not fall off, and I did about 120 miles per hour. But something is definitely still wrong.
A few inches later.
Yep.
Got right in time. weekly, daily, annual.
At least we're here.
Yeah.
We're here to drop off Savannah, if you guys are wondering. She got school. Funny.
Yep, so this one.
So you have two?
I guess.
Okay.
It's a big truck.
Oh yeah.
Is he gonna get out or no? Oh, there.
No.
He's coming.
And do you know how high your bumpers are?
No.
All right.
High.
It's high, yes. I'm 6'3", and your front bumper is right below my chest.
Yeah.
So, I don't have a measuring tape on me.
I
Just let
just
you know,
big, yeah.
your lip is gonna be a little too big.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Good morning. Hey, a friend. Another one that's joining him. As you can see, I didn't get my mud flaps yet. Or my my drop bumper for the rear. Still 116 inches wide. Still 9 foot tall to the roof. My bumpers are like, what do you say? 3 foot over limit? Like 3 feet too high.
These are all things we've been through, been over, been there.
But I got pulled over last week. There's been no time for anything to get here yet. And this is my daily.
Whenever we order express shipping, it still takes 3 months.
Yeah, seriously. Like I can't. I even overnight ship stuff, and it still takes a few days. I'm sorry. It's not my fault, officer. The other officer's talking to him like, should we tow him? Bye. Have a good day at school.
Bye. Another one?
3?
Sir, you're blocking traffic. And your lights aren't on.
Can you step down for me?
Sure.
The cop just said something about going back to street tires. Just thought I'd let you guys know. This is Gay Pro Productions. Street tires, no.
Goodbye, officer. He said thank you for having a big, like, monster truck. It's pretty cool.
He said thank you.
Yeah. It could be worse. I could be Brandon.
Oh man, you're too close behind me. Stand back right there.
I'm not too close. I'm more than 6 feet away. Well, getting the old girl towed. Don't you just love St. John PD? Don't you love them? Yeah!
Whoa!
Go stand next to the tire.
It's huge, dude. The tire's bigger than you. I had 30s.
Yeah, can you get it?
You want to get in it? Wow, you could drive it now. Where are you going?
He's going straight to You see it?
Yeah.
Just push it in.
What size are these tires?
46s. Look up, Owen.
Look up.
Look up at the roof.
No, at the roof.
Whoa. What do you think, Owen? You like it? Mm-hmm. Pretty big, huh?
I like it better as a dually.
It's delicious. First off, I do understand that the cops do just have a job to do, but the truck is very tall and very wide. So because I keep getting pulled over, I'll probably just have to sell the truck, downgrade, probably just get like an F-150 or a Yukon with like a small lift, small wheels and tires. So I don't get bothered anymore, you know, because apparently driving a monster truck is just too stressful, you know. It's not practical. Don't get good gas mileage. Keep getting bothered by the police. So probably just gonna have to get rid of it. You probably won't be seeing any more YouTube videos anymore because I will be driving something boring.